So this is a Ninja BN301 blender, and ultimately it's just the 900-watt blender version of this, which is going to be the Ninja Fit blender, which is a 700-watt blender that's more single serve. And this is what the BN301 looks like in person. So let's take out the Fit 50, and then we're going to compare them so you can understand what you're getting if you opt for the 900-watt versus the 700-watt blender single serve editions. So you can see there is a difference between the two on the Ninja Fit. It is going to be a 16-ounce smoothie blender container. On the 900-watt edition, it's going to be a 20-ounce. You both are getting the sprout lids. You both get the storage lids. The blades, the overall construction and everything is the same. It's just a variation in terms of the size. Now, if you want to have more crushing power, I do recommend the 900 will greatly outperform the 700 in my opinion. So let me show you why I say that. We're gonna make a smoothie. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some frozen bananas and I'm gonna put one frozen banana here and one frozen banana here, and then you can see how well it performs. Now, I do need a little bit of liquid, so we're just gonna take a little bit of oat milk, secure it. So both of our units are set up now. This is going to be with the Ninja Fit. All right. We're going to try the same thing with the 900. We're going to see if the 900 performs faster and if how loud it is. We have just a little bit of ice cream here, so let's pop it open again. Okay, so let's see what we got. That is pulverized. So I just got the spoon here. Let me try it. Absolutely smoothly blended. We'll take it out. We're going to open it up. But also, still, the results are very nice, creamy. Very smooth, consistency, delicious. So both actually work very well. Upgrade. Try it out. Let's see if our Ninja 301 is going to be able to do it. Okay, so you can see we still have our top layer of banana still there, but everything, if I just keep it pressed a little bit longer, and now it is completely fully blended and ready to drink. So I'm going to try this right now. Let's try it with a I mean, it did a really good job in terms of the blend. It's smooth, it's creamy, it's good. Now, is it gonna be as pulverized as what you would get in a Vitamix? No, because I use a Vitamix. Even if you use a Vitamix Explorian, that's a 2 horsepower motor. So it's gonna be more powerful, but that's also because it's more pricey. So really big picture is that if you're looking between the Ninja Fit or the Ninja 301, the 900-watt versions, or even maybe they have like a 1,000-watt version in the future, it just comes down to, do you need it in that size? Because if you want it in the bigger size, you have to go in larger wattage because it has to have more power in order to crush everything and make sure everything can drive to the center. It's not going to be the same as a Vitamix, but I actually prefer this type of design. I just find a lot of people will find if you're just using it for one single person, you end up using less. It's going to be more easy to clean, and it's just a reasonable amount for 1 or 2 people. So with that, thanks for watching, everybody. This is our Ninja blenders. I'll catch you next time. Bye, bye, bye.